Another adventure with me and my Surface Duo 2. This one involves the pen and attaching it to the Duo 2. And I got to looking around on Amazon to find pen loops. And as I did find some, and I got to thinking, man, you got a Surface 3. You don't use it. Grandchildren use it. And a nice red pen. Nice red keyboard. And the keyboard, of course, the pen had no way to attach. But they had this little thing called the pen loop. So I told myself, Dale, you got a pen loop. Go get it. Before you go buying one, why don't you look and see how one will work? So, that's what I did. Ripped it off of that one. Had to reattach it, get some more tape. And I did this before, and I have some wider tape somewhere because I used it on this, but this is all I could find. This 3M double-sided tape. This does a very good job of sticking. We have the magnetic. The magnets are better and the pen will sit there, but the pen can be easily jostled off, I guess is the word to use. All I did was put some tape on it, lined it up where I felt like I wanted it, based on the magnets being able to hold, and that was this particular distance. I knew I wanted it up here against the camera body. I think I'll check when I go to take pictures. And there you go. And it works. Now I can sling this hard and make it go through because it's not a real tight fit on the barrel of the body, but it gives me a good idea of how this will work. I was a little concerned that this might lift it too much and I wouldn't get any assistance with the magnet, but that's not the case. The magnet, at least down on this end, still gives me very, very good grip. That's the better connecting point anyway. So now I'm going to probably use this a few days, and then I'll order what I found on Amazon. Now, if you want to use a Surface pen loop, because you've got one, there's your solution. If you just for some reason want a Surface pen loop, they're hard to find, but I found some on eBay. They run between $17 and $20, depending on color. And they do have every color but black. When I say every color, they had a number of colors. Then I checked Amazon. Amazon has some black ones, but with shipping, it was $40. Kind of a lot, both the 17 and the $20. Considering the product that I was looking at was 3 for $9. So that's a huge difference in price. So I would recommend, if you want to do this and you don't want the Surface pen loop, paying that kind of money, Ringke, R-I-N-G-K-E pen holder, and I'll put a link for it down in the description. Looks like a potential option, and that's probably the option that I will buy. Someone did say that it works with the Surface Pro pen. They also have what they call a pen sleeve, and I was really interested in it until I found out that it's, I think, 8 inches long. So it's longer than the Surface Duo 2. So that took my interest away. Okay. Hopefully this was a little helpful to you. Thumbs up, likes are great, and give me some comments. And how about sharing it around to people? And lastly, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So hopefully I've earned your subscription. Thanks. Have a good day.